I felt like I'm not alone in this, actually. There's a huge support system, and just the guidance and care that everybody has for this business has inspired me to keep going. I'm Sarah with Harvested Gardens, and I'm based out of Frederick, Maryland. I would like everyone to be able to grow food in their own space, whatever that space looks like. There's a lot of newer homes that are popping up, and they have hardly any yards at all. And I want to especially help young families know that they can grow food even in a small space. I joined the Gardenary Certification program. Nicole was like a constant. I was always following her on Instagram and just seeing what everyone else was doing in the garden consultant world. And I felt like I'm not alone in this, actually. There's a huge support system, and just the guidance and care that everybody has for this business has inspired me to keep going. And so I really put myself out there and was like, all right, I'm gonna make it a focus. And the reason why I chose to do this was because I wanted something for me. Everything that I've done up to this point has been a job that I've had, or I've been working for other people. And the idea that I could do something that I love, and it could be on my own terms, and I could make money, those just all sounded too good to be true. And I knew that if I didn't try, I would regret it. I think that it's given me confidence, and it's given me just hope that there's something better. There's something better for me, for my family. Just to be part of this exciting community of people is really, really cool. And it makes me hopeful. I was really proud of myself because I did something that I thought was small, but it actually turned out to be really big. I had a booth at the Frederick County Fair, and it was just like this small fair, but I knew that all of my community of Frederick, Maryland would come out, and there are a lot of people who are interested in gardening, and people who bring in their tomatoes to win first prize and stuff like that. And right before I had done that, I got business cards printed, and I got a sign made of my business name. And just standing there at the table with my name and my business cards and representing myself in a way that just felt so authentic, I think that was like a really proud moment. And just talking to everybody who came out to, I actually had built a raised bed to display, and I made it super beautiful. And people were just like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I want that. Like, how do I get that in my space? And so just, I don't know, talking to people, and I think Gardenary's been huge in helping me. It's been everything, actually. It's given me the tools, the wisdom, the confidence, the community, the support, everything. It's basically like this very simple step-by-step process that Nicole lays out, but it's very thorough, and I think that anyone can do it if they put their mind to it. Once I got into the certification program, it was a little overwhelming and a little intimidating, because if you start out with a dream of turning your love of gardening into a business, Nicole lays out the steps very clearly, but it's nervous to actually get that start and to get going. And I feel like I found the confidence to put myself out there by just having all of the tools at my disposal, and being able to come back to them too, because it wasn't something that's just like you hear a video and then you never hear that advice again. You get to keep all the materials and look back, and I've looked back several times to watch and rewatch things that I forgot, or I'm like, oh yeah, I need a little boost, because I feel like having Nicole's voice in my ear has actually been very helpful, just to push me along to keep going. People who have been amazed that you can actually grow things, and that it can be beautiful as well. And it's not as difficult as you would think. I remember Nicole saying anyone can be a gardener. So you can find me at harvestedgardens.com, and also on Facebook and Instagram.